Only Bitcoin, baby. What if a whole country went 100% crypto? Imagine waking up, grabbing your morning coffee, and when it's time to pay, the barista says 0.000013 Bitcoin, please. By the time you finish your cappuccino, the price might have doubled, and not the foam. Welcome to Crazy Maybe, the show where hypothetical scenarios take their caffeine with a shot of crypto chaos. From gross national happiness to Bitcoin mining, the Bhutan case. Fun fact number 1, Bhutan used to measure prosperity through gross national happiness. Now, it measures hash rates. In 2019, CEO Ujjwal Deep Dahal watched YouTube tutorials, set up a couple of mining rigs, and triggered the fire alarm. Turns out, happiness can overheat. Today, Bhutan runs massive crypto mines cooled by mountain air, powered by 100% hydropower. No electricity bills that'll give you heartburn. Result, reserves now top $600 million, nearly 30% of the country's GDP. In early 2025's bull run, it hit nearly $1 billion. That's faster wealth accumulation than Himalayan goats on Reg Bull. Just by selling $100 million worth of Bitcoin, Bhutan raised public sector salaries by 65%. Forget Christmas bonuses. This is Santa Claus via proof of work. In Italy, inflation goes up. In Bhutan, they pump up the block fiestas. Blockchain 101 in 30 seconds. Bitcoin is a decentralized currency capped at 21 million coins. Like shiny Pokemon, rare, valuable, but way harder to catch. Mining validates transactions, consumes a truckload of energy, and pays in BTC. Want to try it in your bedroom? Better have an AC unit and a fire extinguisher. Crazy maybe scenario. Bitcoin-only country. Volatility. Roller coaster without seatbelts. Today, 1 BTC is €96,000. Tomorrow, it's 88,000. Tomato prices would bounce harder than a meme coin on a Monday morning. By central banks, hello central chaos. Bitcoin's fixed supply means no central authority can tweak interest rates during a crisis. IMF calls this kind of crypto-ization dangerous. It's like doing brain surgery with TikTok tutorials. Government budgets on a YOLO curve. Tax revenue collected in BTC could lose half its value before salaries are paid. Managing public spending with crypto is like funding healthcare with lottery tickets. Everyday payments and digital divide. You'd need stable internet, crypto wallets, private keys. And if grandma loses her seed phrase, buy retirement fund. IMF says this model excludes people and fuels money laundering concerns. El Salvador case study. Legal tender is not were magic wand. First to legalize Bitcoin, but as of 2025, low adoption, high losses, IMF warnings. Imagine that Bitcoin is legal, but people still use the US dollar. That says something. Going 100% crypto removes that safety net. It's like base jumping with a parachute made of vibes. If you live on a fixed salary, one day your rent costs a sandwich. Next day, a Tesla. Good luck negotiating that mortgage in Satoshis. Potential upsides. If you're Bhutan 2.0, wealth boom if you've got unlimited renewable energy and mine 5% of the world's BTC. Digital tourism. Visit us, pay in 100 cryptos, get karma points and yak jerky cashback. Global branding. From happiest kingdom to #happiness kingdom. That's viral marketing, baby. So, dear explorers of the improbable, if a nation went all in on Bitcoin, it could strike it rich like Scrooge McDuck or crash harder than a rug pull. It all depends on green energy, strong institutions, and nerves of steel. Enjoyed this trip through digital pickaxes and Satoshi stacks? Smash that red button, subscribe to Crazy Maybe, ring the bell, and share this with that friend who says, "This time I'll get rich with crypto." Unless it crashes tomorrow. Remember, the future is uncertain, but YouTube's algorithm loves your proof of like. Hey, don't click away. This is the post-credit scene. Think Marvel, but with more volatility and fewer superheroes, unless you count Satoshi. London update. A local bakery renamed itself Bread and Blockchain PLC after its web designer turned $4 million into $1 billion via crypto. Investors are hotter than the ovens. ETF Mania. BlackRock and Fidelity are pulling in $48 billion like crypto vacuums. Soon we'll get ETFs for fiat, parked in garages next to Lambos. Ethereum fee drops. After the Denkun upgrade, swapping tokens costs less than texting your ex, come back. I paid only 39 cents in gas fees. Solana meme storm, Neo Pepe, Hamster Dance coin, Lasercat INU are mooning daily. Toss a coin into a Solana wishing well, and it might already be listed on Jupiter. Dogecoin diaries, Musk is quiet, but X got payment licenses in 39 states. If Pay with Doge launches, expect liftoff. Woof. Bitcoin-backed mortgages. The US Housing Agency is exploring BTC collateral. Translation, mortgage your closet today, own a castle tomorrow, or a parking spot, depending on the market mood. So now, you can close the video, but only after dropping a proof of laugh in the comments. Catch you next time on Crazy Maybe, where the only stable thing is comedic volatility.